So you just got to need to know how to entrain electrons into your body, or the negative charge. So what are the electron givers? Well, these are the things that are going to give you electrons. And these are the electron stealers. You just need to know this. And this just needs to be part of your daily routine and your life experiences. And then we've got this thing called glycation. Well, you know, if you cut an apple and it starts to go brown, well, this is sort of the rusting that occurs in our body. So this is your body stealing electrons. So glycation leads to inflammation, and inflammation leads to disease. And one of the biggest reasons why people have glycation is sugar, and the other would be cooking meat in high heat. That's barbecue, pan-fried, grilled, baked and fried, which my wife and I don't do any of that. We do only slow cook, and we have broth of the morning, and we have the slow cooked meat, of course. And that is to get collagen. The structured water, or what I call MEA water, magnetised, energised, activated water, it's antioxidant. Now, we know that from the blueberry experiment I showed you. They don't oxidise. And you put wine through there, it doesn't oxidise. So it's an antioxidant. You drink this water and you've got an antioxidant, like your vitamin A, vitamin C, your vitamin E, so forth. Any of those oily vitamins are antioxidants. But when you drink this water, and I actually had a professor stand up in my presentation in San Diego, and he said, oh yeah, but if you're drinking structured water, you've got oxygen, they'll just form these reactive oxygen species. Well, I didn't have to answer that because Professor Pollock got up and shot him down. So drinking structured water does the absolute opposite. It actually acts as an antioxidant in your body. So if we look at aging, aging is just this process of oxidation or loss of electrons. So the more electrons you get into your body, the less you will age. So we recommend that you drink your water before your meal, and then start 1.5 hours after a meal when your stomach's empty. So to work out how much water you need to drink, you take your weight in kilos and multiply by 30. That'll give you the number of millilitres of water per day. Then divide that by 4, and you'll get how much water you need to drink before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner, or before bed. Or you can divide it by 3. If you don't want to drink water before bed, and I suggest you should drink water before bed because you need a lot of water at night for detoxing. But you can divide by 3 and just work out how much to drink before breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you take your weight in kilos, multiply it by 30, then divide by 4 to give the 4 main periods of drinking water. Then don't drink water in the up to 1.5 hours after eating because you'll dilute your stomach acid, which means the acid, you won't have enough acid to break open protein to release amino acids, which make human protein. So it's a big issue, probably one of the biggest issues of why you don't have good digestion is that you're drinking water or fluids like coffee and tea in that 1.5 hours after eating.